thanks for stopping by my channel today. I'm Laurie, and today I participated in the Fall Artsy Cupcake Challenge. It's being hosted by Maria from Artsy Cupcake. I'm going to link her channel below in my description. She has some amazing videos, so make sure that you check her out. For this challenge, I made applesauce cupcakes with a cinnamon cream cheese frosting. And here's a little sample of what they look like. They are absolutely delicious, and I have the full recipe with baking instructions listed below in the description. I also made a $2 cupcake stand that I will include in the video. I had so much fun participating in this challenge, and if you're looking for any type of fall cupcakes, make sure you check the playlist below. I hope you enjoy this video and check out my other videos, and if you haven't yet subscribed, all you need to do is just hit that little red subscribe button below, and if you'd like to be notified every time I upload a new video, just hit the little bell that's next to it. I'm beginning my cupcake project by using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And then I'm adding in all my dry ingredients, which are 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of ginger, and 1/8 a teaspoon of ground cloves. Then I'm just whisking them together. I'm now using a stick of butter, a cup of packed light brown sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And all I'm going to do is just mix them up till they're nice and fluffy. Adding to the mixture is my 2 eggs and 1½ cups of unsweetened applesauce. And once they're combined, we're going to add in the flour mixture. The batter smells so good with the applesauce and cinnamon. Once everything is combined, it's now time to fill our cupcake tins. This recipe makes 18 cupcakes, but I'm just going to work with the 12 in my cupcake tin. If you don't want to use liners, you can always just spray the inside of the cupcake tin, and these cupcakes pop right out. And now I'm using my trusty ice cream scoop and just filling up the tins. Now it's time to bake them in the oven. And here are your cupcakes, yummy and ready to eat. To make the delicious frosting, we're going to use 8 ounces of cream cheese, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to mix them together until they're nice and fluffy. To the mixture, I'm adding 2 cups of confectionery sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon that smells amazing. And now all you need to do is just beat it together until it's light and fluffy. Time to frost those delicious cupcakes. I'm using this plastic piping bag that I picked up at the Dollar Tree for $1. I'm just going to fold the ends of the bag over and then begin to stuff it with my cinnamon cream cheese frosting. I love a cupcake with a lot of icing, so all I'm going to do is start in the center and then just pipe a swirl around the top of the cupcake. I'm going to do this to all 12, and then we're going to decorate the top. I'm using 12 cinnamon disc candies, and I'm using 6 green spice drops. These are going to be our apples on the top. I placed the green spice drops between 2 sheets of waxed paper, and then using
my rolling pin, I just rolled them out flat. I placed a red disc in the center of the cupcake, and then using a knife in no particular way, I just cut some little triangular pieces out of the flattened gumdrop. I then placed them on top of the cupcake, right behind the red disc to mimic little green leaves. I continued doing this till all 12 cupcakes had a little apple accent on the top. To make my cupcake display stand, I'm using a dinner plate and a bowl from the Dollar Tree. It's super easy to make. All I did was run a bead of glue around the bottom edge of the bowl, and then I placed the plate on top. Make sure to let it set overnight. I'm using some fall silk leaves that I found at the Dollar Tree. To complete my fall cupcake centerpiece, I'm just placing one of the leaves down and then placing a cupcake on top of it. Once you're done, they are ready to serve to your family and friends. They are so delicious, and I hope you enjoyed making this recipe with me.
I hope you had fun watching me make these delicious cupcakes. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you know what to do. Just click that little red subscribe button below. And I'll see you soon. Bye, everybody!